Today's date is Sunday, March 30th. It is almost 4:30 in the morning, and I am taking part in the Lovable competition or hackathon. Um, so the goal is to build a project using Lovable and at least minimum two of their partners, Anthropic, Supabase, Sentry, or 11 Labs. You can build whatever you want, no code required, and you have 24 hours. And this is crazy because Lovable got so much better. Like I've used it like maybe like a month or two after like it first came out, and it wasn't that good. It was like, all right, I can see where this is going, and everybody's still building their no code AI app tools, whatever. But this thing is crazy. So I have less than 4 hours to finish mine. I chose the something 2.0 category. So there's three categories. The first one is the website, which is you can build a landing page with different integrations, tools, whatever the case may be. Um, you can build something 2.0, so you build a Notion 2.0, Facebook 2.0, basically like a second version of a better existing app. I chose Google Calendar, and those who've been following my channel for a while, you probably guessed it right. I'm building Callie, an AI calendar you can talk to or chat with, but soon probably talk to. Startup is you wanting to solve a problem. So here are the information about the hackathon. I'm not going to go through every single one of these, but feel free to pause the video. So you can see you can build a SaaS, uh, just some examples, requirements, authentication, 3 distinct pages, at least 2 integrations, yep, page title, OG, meta description. I got to make sure I have all these before I submit. But I'm just going to, go through this, and y'all can, is it check? Oh, cool. Y'all can pause it and get a good look. All right. So that's the submission, the prizes. All right. I think I got a cool idea. Hopefully, I never won anything, and the one thing I did win, they never sent me my prize. So I don't win things. So judging criteria. Again, I'm just going through it. You can pause the video and take a look. Here are the rules. All projects must be built in Lovable and satisfy the requirements, the team count, the deadline. All right. And then resources, and I'm not going to show you my discount codes. That's for me. But I did get a free month of Lovable, which is really cool. But I'm using AI and Supabase. Pretty cool. Now, let me walk you through my app. Again, this thing is so crazy. So, I'm building an AI calendar you can talk to. I'm going to log in. I created a junk email. Feel free to email me at this email, mostudios.io. Some people have been reaching out to me, but if you want my email this one, because this one is like starting to become junk and I don't really look at it. So we're gonna sign in, and no, definitely don't want to. So basically, you create events. I added the Unsplash API to this thing, so you can add like a cover photo. Some things don't really look too good, so I gotta polish some of that up. And I don't have to code it. Like I built this app in a day, and mind you, I didn't spend all day like prompting. I went out for lunch. I hung out with a friend, like, and just had my laptop with me. So So the goal is to let me do my one pitch liner. Callie is a AI calendar you could talk to where you can sync all your calendars in one place and find a way to make time for the things that matter with the people who matter, right? So you don't have to. I need a calendar because I use Google Calendar. Again, if you watch my videos, you see I use Google Calendar a lot, and Notion reminders. I need a way to make time for my hobbies, friends, family, and basically get the work stuff out the way. And I also want a way to like see when my friends are available on my calendar and like send a request and be like, hey, let's hang out. Um, Also, it'd be nice if I could just be like, hey, do I have time for the gym next Tuesday at 6 p.m.? All right, gotta fix that. Would you like the yes? Cool. And then if I go to next Tuesday, what's the date today? We're in March. Project deadlines. Oh, it's not working anymore? Oh, so this, let me know if you need anything else. Can you add it? Like, this is so cool to see this working, and it did it in a day. And this is why I'm like, uh, oh, is it not doing it? Okay, no. Oh, it did it before, y'all. At 9 p.m. I swear it worked. Usually it's supposed to ask you for a confirmation. Am I messing up something? What's the date? It's the 30th? Oh, hold on. Oh, it's not doing it. Well, it did do it, and it was like magic. These demos never work when you're ready to record. Am I right? All right. Anyway, um, so you got the calendar. The idea is to, like, add your friends, calendar preferences. You need to sync all your calendars together, right? Billing. So I have no idea how the pricing is gonna go, but here's the idea. And I did do this in V0, and now I'm convinced that this thing is way better than V0, right? So, here's the layout, and you can't connect this to a backend. So, like, but I plan on using some of the things I have here um, in the Lovable one, right? And here's the landing page too I made with it. So you need to schedule time for the gym. Yeah, and that's how it's supposed to look. You can add it to a calendar. There's a lot of things I ended up kind of doing with this. I'm gonna walk you through more stuff, but I can't wait for, like, it's insane. I'm building this in like a day. It'll probably take me 2 days, but I also have to get a verification for Google OAuth to sync the calendars. But here's like Superbase, uh, Lovable. Uh, let's see, we don't need to show you that. Product walkthroughs. You got 11 labs right here for the voice. Stripe. Slash. What else? Yep, it's just another design I was playing around with. I think that's all I wanted to show y'all. But yo, this is like, I have a friend who I sent this to, the competition. She does not know how to code. She doesn't do anything tech related. She works in like logistics and was in the military. And she built an app. And I was testing it. And I was like, this woman just built what I would have took me like a month or whatever. And she did it in like in a weekend. These tools are crazy. But that's all I wanted to show y'all. So Callie and I'm bringing back Callie and what was it? Guess who? And it's funny. I have a video talking about why I canceled that app. But Guess Who was or is an app where it's 5 people in a group chat, and it's like Among Us, and you have to guess who's the AI. You have a minute to vote on who you think the AI is. So now, like, now that Lovable got to a point where this thing is like really good, I can really build this in a day. So, fix my camera. But that's all I got to show y'all. I know I said I was gonna keep, April pretty quiet and not share any updates, but Yo, if anybody who doesn't know how to code and you want to make a web app, go with Lovable. It's I play around with a lot of different tools. They're not that good yet. This is by far the best one, and probably I think this is the biggest European startup in terms of like funding or quickest funding. I don't remember what the stat was or whatever the milestone, but it's based in Europe, and Europe doesn't really have a, or from my knowledge, it doesn't seem like it has a big entrepreneurial scene. This, you know, comparing it to the U.S. and it's good to see that you got people out there doing some cool stuff. You got Spotify and all them, but again, it's not, you don't see too many of that. I think that's it. Yeah, I wanted to be able to like see when my friends are available and send them an invite, but I can't believe I did this in like a day, and I didn't even do this in a day. I was out having like I was out hanging out, but that's all I got. I gotta I gotta finish this up and submit it. Um, I haven't linked the Google Calendar stuff because you need to get verified, like submitting an app and stuff. But hopefully, it's good enough for the competition. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you think of both Guess Who and Cali. And I guess I will see y'all on the next video. I always feel like I got more to say, but I don't. I think that's like. I know there's something I wanted to share. I just gotta make sure I don't hit the wrong tab and share like an API key or something. Oh, like yeah, email verification. This thing really did everything, man. I just been prompting it. I don't win things, so I hope they like it. I don't win nothing. I'm sure people are building some crazy stuff. Subscribe to hackathon events. Alright, y'all. That's it. I don't want to waste any more time. And I don't edit these videos, so things ain't getting cut. These are raw. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but have you noticed the thumbnails are looking pretty good? Yeah. Shout out ChatGPT. Just getting there. In the summer, I'll start editing stuff. Alright. It's about to be 5 in the morning. Make sure you keep building. Yeah, make sure you keep building. Catch y'all later.